Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you. It's from FunKey MonKey. It's number 14. Now I picked it, and hopefully I can do it again. It is a fun lock, I can tell you that. Once you get to a certain spot on it, you really have to work it. So let's try and see what we can do. You gotta, okay, we got some movement on the back. Pins there. I might have overset already. Don't know. Like I said, I just kind of got lucky and picked it. Now I know it's hard to see it in my hand. It's yeah, some of it you don't know if you're twisting it or it's doing it on its own. So if it's giving you that feedback or not. So that feels like counter, but I don't know. I don't know if that was good or bad. That's the problem. You get to picking it and you're really not sure what you're running into here. See, it's doing it again now. Now I'm in the back again. Oh, I don't know, this, I think that's solid there. I think I'm pretty good there. I feel like I'm coming out there. Yeah, I was. Here's where you got to try to find your pins that are working with you. Like I said, I just kind of stumbled into getting it open because I wasn't sure. I mean, it feels like it's giving you counter, and then you do it, and then it's like you got to start all over. That all feels dead there. I mean, it all feels nothing. I mean, it's like I've overset everything. Now I heard stuff drop, and wow. I'm just gonna tickle them and see what happens here. Wow, that feels solid in the back. Let's see. Okay. Wow. It's just, I've lost where I was. Oh, that was nothing. It felt like I had counter, but it was just like a stuck pin in it. Wouldn't go. Oh man, it's a lot of crunching. Now it feels like everything's overset. And by the way, this has a mummy key, so gotta just, doggone, it's doing it again. I'm just, wow. This has a unique feel to it. Oh, I think I just, oh no, I think I just maybe dropped my tension wrench. I thought I got a deep fault set there. Well, maybe I did. Now my pick seems to want to stick. Uh-oh. It's not good. Whew. I don't know if that's good or not. Kind of worried about continuing. Wow. Oh, there it is. That's an open, folks. I can tell you right now that's an open. Wow, this is a tough lock, guys. I gotta tell you, it's a tough lock. Woohoo! Excellent. Let me get my Bobby Keys penning board out here. Wow. That was a great lock, Funky Monkey. It had me going 6 ways from Sunday. What I was doing. Nicely done. Nicely done. Whew. Now I don't want anything falling out. Let's see about shimming this little bad boy. This thing has looks like grub screws have been done in the top, so I'm hoping that. Oof! What? Oh man, that's tight. Let's see. Well, it's going a little bit, but not much. You know what? I may have to go without it, guys. Yep. Couldn't do it with that in there. With that, we got threading in, looks like every chamber. And like I said, the key's mummied, so we won't be getting that out unless I need to put it back together. Okay, number 1. Come on, baby doll. Up. Of course they gotta land upside down. It's their job. That's what they do. Wow. What is that? Are you kidding me? You gotta see this one, guys. I'll show you this one in a little bit. That is amazing. I don't know how you managed that, but you did a great job with that one. Okay. Now, let me see about getting in this, guys. Okay. Oh. Wow. I'm shocked. Okay. Oh, there it is. Come out and I didn't even see it. Little stinker. All right, let's try the next one. Okay. Number 2. I know I'm real slow at this, guys, but ooh, I don't want any mess ups, you know. So, wow, that one's got some spring tension on it. You see that? sure it came out like that. Got a long spring on that bad boy. Wow, that's a spring, my friend. Can't see this one. There it is. You guys see that? Let me see if I can get more light in there. Whoa. It's a big, long spool, man. Nice spool, dude. Well, the spring isn't above, so we'll pull that one last. Come in from the back. Yeah. Oh. I must have a little rough spot here somewhere on this. Bear with me, guys. Let me see if that helped. Oh yeah, that helped. Okay. Alright. We're getting there, I know, slowly but surely, but we're getting there. Hope y'all can stand bearing with me here through these tough times in my childhood. Reverse childhood, I should say. Okay, and then we got our last spring. It should still be in there. Let's get this out of the way so we can get it. There she is. Right there. Okay. Now, in here, let's see. Oh, good. Where'd you go? You little booger. Now, you're too bright. I don't know if I want to use you. But I'm not seeing anything done to the top. Okay. So there's nothing done up there. Everything threaded in the plug. And here's our pins, ladies and gentlemen. This is FunKey MonKey number 14. Wow, look at that. That is awesome. Oh, a mean little pin there. That's reduced diameter right here. Double serration with a serration in the middle, like kind of like a double spool with a serration in the middle. And then you got a standard and a ball with a couple of nice serrations, kind of spoolish. Then a kind of a spool with a serrated, and big, long, deep spool, and then another spool with a serration kind of in the middle of it, and a small serrated. And then a little dinky spool, and then that spoolish serrated. Man, those are some nice pins, FunKey MonKey. And then of course your springs are different. You guys can tell better what they are than I can. So yeah, that's a heck of a lock, my friend. That was a really tough one. That's FunKey MonKey number 14, guys. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay legal and have fun, guys. This lot kept me busy. All right, bye.